To adjust the seat height of the RAZ SP, you will need 2 adjustable spanners and a 19mm spanner or ratchet, plus a 4mm Allen key to adjust the brakes. With the chair carefully placed on its side, simply pull off the plastic hubcap. Using 1 adjustable spanner and the 19mm spanner or ratchet, take the main axle bolt off the wheel. Remove the wheel and using the 2 adjustable spanners, take off the axle bearing assembly. Including the lock washer. Reinsert in the new desired location, depending on the wheel height required, and tighten. Place the main bolt back in the wheel hub. Insert into the axle hub and retighten the nut and the bolt. Repeat on the other wheel and then check that the brakes are aligned. To adjust the brakes, you will need to loosen the nut and bolt here, slide the assembly to the correct position and test the brake. Adjust if required and then retighten. It is important to check all fittings are secure before use.